friends, I am going to do an update on my sweet potato slips. It's been a little bit over 8 weeks now, and look how good they look. Look at those. So I'm taking some of these off and I'm going to be putting them in water and waiting for the roots to grow. So we're about 2 weeks out from our last frost date. These I probably won't plant for 3 or 4 weeks because they have to have a really warm soil, but I'm just going to do this. I'm so excited. So I noticed this one wasn't really in the potato. I'm not sure how it started growing, but it's already kind of growing the roots. So I'm just gonna take some of those top leaves off, and it's already growing roots right here if you want to look right there. Isn't that cool? So I'm gonna put that in. And I'm gonna take this purple one. This is the purple one and it has a whole bunch of slips. So I'm just going to gently take them off, and because they were growing in the dirt, they have a whole bunch of roots already. But I'm gonna take some of these apart like this so I can have more slips. I wanna give some of these to my mom. So I'm gonna try to kind of take these apart a little, and we're gonna put these in here. I'm gonna take these little ones that I just took apart and see if we can root these. And this little one. So I'm gonna take some more off of here. Now a lot of these, oh goodness, they really got some roots in here, so I'm trying to be careful when I take these out. So these ones have a lot of root system right here. I don't want to ruin this. I'm trying to, but this is a whole bunch of them put together, stuck together. So I'm going to try to gently take these apart. They've already got roots. This is really cool. So I'm going to use this, put this in, take this one apart. I'm gonna take all these little pieces, like these main little pieces, and see if I can get them to grow roots. All right, let's put that bigger one in here. Isn't that cool? So I'm just gonna kind of gently take some of these top ones off and I'll just change out this water every 4 or 5 days. But anyway, I will come back in a few weeks and tell you how this all went. You know, this one I probably could plant right in the ground, but it's not ready to be planted. So I'm going to take that off. Maybe this little one will root, I don't know. All right, now that I made a big mess down here, I'm going to let these ones grow a little bit more. There's still some little ones here that I'm going to maybe try to root and see what happens. Now these ones I'm going to let grow a little bit taller. All right, so that's all I'm going to take off today. These ones I'm going to let grow a little taller. I took all the bigger ones off. These are all the little leaves. I'm going to see if they'll root. So I'll put those in a little bit smaller. Sure. Anyway, I will come back and let you know how it goes here in a few weeks. Okay, so there I'm done. I put the little bit bigger ones in this jar, and I put the little smaller ones that I took the leaves off just to see if they would root in here. So I'll come back in a couple weeks and I'll let you know how this is going.